Hi, I'm Michael Sandler, bankruptcy attorney, talking about different topics in bankruptcy. A lot of people don't understand the differences between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13, which are the main two types of bankruptcy that consumers file. Chapter 7 is known as liquidation and typically takes about 3 months. If you just have a lot of credit card debt, medical debt, vehicle repossessions, foreclosures, then you're typically looking at a Chapter 7. It takes 3 months, and it gets rid of most debts aside from a couple of different items. The major ones are taxes from the past 3 years, student loans, or spousal support or child support. There's some other categories as well, but those are the three biggies. Chapter 13 can last for up to 5 years. Why would you do a Chapter 13? There's a couple of different reasons. Number one is in 2005, Congress changed the bankruptcy laws and essentially put in income limitations. So maybe you make too much money to qualify for a Chapter 7, and Chapter 13 would be your next best option. Also in Chapter 7, in some cases, maybe about 5%, the debtor would lose property. In other words, the trustee would take some of their property and sell it to distribute the money amongst their creditors. In a Chapter 13, you can keep everything. Another reason would be if you have a lot of debt that wouldn't be discharged in a Chapter 7. I've had people come in with $40,000 or $50,000 or more in tax debt, and that's their main problem, as the IRS has been very aggressive against them. Chapter 7 isn't going to really help so much in that instance. A Chapter 13 will get the IRS off their back and put them on a payment plan that they can handle. And then, of course, the most popular reason to file a Chapter 13 would be to stop a foreclosure on your house. Filing any kind of bankruptcy will stop a foreclosure on your house, but a Chapter 7 will only put off the problem for 2 or 3 months. At the end of your bankruptcy case, the mortgage company is going to be coming at you again to foreclose on the house. In Chapter 13, you can put together a plan to get caught up on your mortgage arrearage and take up to 5 years to do it. So a lot of people use Chapter 13 to get caught up on their mortgage and keep their house. You can also do the same thing with a car if you want to keep a car and you're behind on the payments. Chapter 7, again, takes about 3 months. Chapter 13, typically 36 to 60 months, depending on your situation.